All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still putting the last touches on our project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Yesterday, if you recall, I had an issue with the MCQ generator not being able to be imported, and I told you that the instructor commented his out and then uncommented it to move forward. Well, unfortunately for him, he's running into a hiccup tonight because he's trying to actually run a piece of his code that's not working at all. He tried it a bunch of different ways. So I've been sitting here watching him trying to debug his code for like the past 30 minutes. Now, I don't want to fast forward anything because I might miss something in translation. So I'm going to watch through everything, but I'm not going to watch through it tonight. Like I said, it's been 30 minutes already and he's still trying to debug. So yeah, so what I did was I went back to my original code from earlier, the human emotion detection module, and I fixed what was going on with that, and I did get everything situated. So the problem was that I was right, but the solution that I came up with was in reverse. So instead of removing the, let me see if I can find it for you really quickly. Yeah, so instead of removing the S from labels, I had to add the S to labels up here. Remember, this was just label equals empty list. So I added the S to make it labels, and then it's labels dot append, and then everything ran fine. And then I did notice I also did make another mistake that I fixed for all of them. I said this was R max. It was argmax. There is no R max. My mom was just somewhere else, so I didn't really even think about what I was saying. But yeah, so it is argmax, and I had to find every location where it was and fix it. So it was about 5 or 6 different locations that I had to go and actually fix it. You can see a bunch of them here. So yeah, but everything did work fine, and I did run it. The only difference is I didn't save it. I don't have anything to show you right now because I didn't have the plt.show here for the confusion matrix. So I just added the plt.show, and then I'll run it again, and hopefully it picks up our confusion matrix. So I'll be able to show you that in the morning. But everything is working fine with the human emotions detection. Now we just have to figure out what's going on with this working on. And the project is it's an issue, but it's not really an issue because this is the open AI one that we're working on. We still haven't gotten to the open source one yet, so I'm not too concerned because we know that we can do the open source version. I just want to make sure that we go through these open AI API steps just in case we ever do end up using it, we know what to do. So that's why I'm not fast forwarding it and I'm not skipping over anything. I want to see exactly what he does to remedy the solution that he came up with instead of just commenting it out a line and then uncommenting it back out. So yeah, that's what that is. And yeah, like I said, it's been 30 minutes since he's been trying to debug his code, and he's really at a loss of words. So yeah, of course I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.